Yes, today is a new day. I want to use this great opportunity to say thank you to all my followers, all my fans, those that have been helping me to this level today. I want to use this great opportunity to say thank you for what I've been doing in my life, for what God has been using you to bless my life. And I want to say thank you, all you that are following me in this page. Thank you for your supporting. Thank you for what I've been doing to make sure that this particular program is going on. I say thank you. May the Lord bless you for me. May the Lord favor you for me. I want you to know that there is nothing you give to the house of God that can be in vain. God can never forget what you have done in his house. He will reward you. He will favor you. He will grant you your heart desire.